As famous motivational speaker Simon Sinek says, you need to know your why. Because if you don't know your why, then during your journey to the success on your path, when there's a hiccup or there's a minor problem, minor obstacle, then you will get so frustrated and quit so easily. You don't want that. When you know your why, it is easier to keep going on. Even though there are some problems, you know that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. You know in your heart that you will try again and again until you get there. By the way, money cannot be your why, because money is not your goal, money is your tool. There's actually an ultimate goal, and in order to get there, you might need money. So it can be a tool, but not your why. After finding out a few answers to your why, write them down. And I want you to think, why am I making art? Why am I making art videos? What's my purpose? What's my mission here? What's the bigger picture? Also, I want you to think about your vision a little bit. Where do you see yourself next year? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? It's like an interview question, I know. I don't want you to stress out about this. I don't want you to overthink about this. Really, where do you want to see yourself? What do you see yourself that you achieved? It's important to have that vision because that also motivates you. So these are actually very basic parts of a business plan. If you're wondering what a business plan looks like, I put a link in the description part, and also I pinned a comment there. You can check that link out and download it if you want to. And please, as the assignment of today's challenge, please decide on your why and also your vision.